Good morning, everyone. Welcome to October 16th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now, we get the Dow futures up 63, S&P futures are up 6, and NASDAQ futures are up 14. Both Asian and European shares were higher overnight. Futures were higher ahead of the bell on Monday, with the bulls having a vision of a rally. The market got off to a positive start before some mild selling, then proceeded higher throughout the day. By the time the market closed, all of the major indexes were higher. Today we'll get CPI at 8:30 a.m., then industrial production and capacity utilization at 9:15 a.m. We'll get earnings today from Goldman Sachs, Intel, IBM, and Johnson & Johnson, to name a few. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1441, the 50-day at 1429, and the 200-day at 1370. The S&P closed at 1440 with support at 1425 and resistance at 1475. The bulls got off to a good start for the new trading week, with all of the major indexes heading higher by day's end. The success Monday on the S&P was due largely to the bulls holding the line on Friday exactly where they needed to. Holding the technical advantage put the bulls in a position to tack on some points, which is exactly what happened, with the S&P closing at 1440. Now the market is poised to move higher, with 1455 now the next target for the bulls. We'll see if they can get there, especially with so many companies scheduled to report earnings today, including Goldman Sachs, Intel, IBM, and Johnson & Johnson. No one cares about your capital more than you. Accordingly, go out of your way to protect your capital so you are in a position to take advantage of sudden opportunities. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.